Hello beautiful people, I have a bit of an unboxing to do for you guys. So without further ado, let's get going. If you want to see this makeup look, I did a little get ready with me, so I will link it down below if I've already posted it. If this video goes up before then just keep in touch and follow me here on YouTube and you'll be able to see how to get this look. So I just have a box right here, already opened it up. It's from Pacifica, which is amazing. I love their products. Their products are bomb. Like, I've been using, I know I sound like a broken record, but I've been using this Rose Flower Hydro Mist. Love this stuff. It's so good. It smells like roses if you like roses. And it gives you such a beautiful, like, dewy look. Obviously, I'm wearing a highlighter as well today, but okay, so let's put this away. Their packaging is always so cute. Look, like unicorn wrapping paper. That's adorable. But anyways, to the good stuff. Okay, so this is Pacifica. Their little note is they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, girl-powered superpowers. Cool. Okay, they said check out our new odor-fighting and aluminum-free underarm deodorant sprays available at Target. Okay, cool. That's awesome. So I already have one of these bags, so I'll probably stick it in one of the giveaways that I will be doing soon on my Instagram. It's so cute though, and it's so very, like, it's so positive. It says you are so pretty, and who doesn't love a unicorn? So, okay, so in here we have a couple different things. This is the Coconut Vanilla Underarm Deodorant Water, odor fighter and aluminum free. I know it's really big for deodorants to be aluminum free because there are some negative effects with aluminum. So personally, the deodorant that I'm using is from Tom's. That one is also aluminum free, but I was actually looking for a new one just because I feel like it's so hard to find an effective natural solution. So I'm really excited and I definitely will try these out. I'll probably do a little like get ready, let's go to the gym, because I've been going to the gym pretty much every day, and then see how it works. So it says, smell pretty without harsh chemicals and help neutralize the malodors under your arms. Our innovative formula utilizes odor-fighting natural ingredients in a water base. Okay, so it's water-based. Use as a deodorant and refresh as needed. So it's nice because this is probably pretty easy to reapply. You just kind of raise your arm and spritz it. And it says it's not an antiperspirant, so it's just a deodorant. Cool. Okay, so I will be putting that to the test. Thank you, Pacifica. And then let's check out the other product. Okay, so I've seen these on their like social media and website before. This is the underarm deodorant wipes. These are odor neutralizing with coconut milk and essential oils. So it's kind of similar packaging to their like makeup wipes, but these are deodorants. This would be really great, I think, to put in your gym bag. So if you're going someplace after the gym and you don't necessarily have time to freshen up and completely do everything, I think this would be a really good thing to just kind of grab on the go. So it's cool. This is also aluminum free. So I will test it out. I'll probably do one day where I just do the spray, another day where I just do the wipes, and then maybe one day where I do both. Thank you so much, Pacifica, and the bag I'll be including in a giveaway soon on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me. My handle is GabrielleHMUA. So I will link it down below, and since I already have one of these canvas bags, I'll add it in and add some other things in too. Thank you to Pacifica for sending those products over, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.